It literally took some real rocket scientists to found our next startup. Manastu Space is planning to revolutionize the space industry with their non toxic, highly efficient satellite fuel and propulsion system. Please welcome Tushar Jadhav, founder and CEO.
Hello, I'm Tushar from Manastu Space. We are building world's most efficient fuel and engine for satellite. Before we get into what we do, why do is very important. We believe space is a platform to solve the problems on the Earth, which can affect billions of lives, and we want to make that access to the space sustainable. How? 15,000 satellites are planned in next 5 years to give you internet, to study the climate change, to give you the agriculture, to name some of the things. But the satellites are facing problem. The fuel that goes into the satellites called hydrazine, it is extremely toxic. People have died handling it. The government are looking to ban it. Because of toxicity, cost of operation increases significantly. And the most important, it is very inefficient. Like a mileage for a car, this fuel is very inefficient. So you need to carry more fuel, satellites become heavy, cost increases. Wait, how do we know this? Well, we are a rocket scientist, an astronaut in training in our team. And we have experience of building and launching our satellite into the space and building a jet engine for a cruise missile. And very strong support of R&D with IIT Bombay and Shell as one of our investors. How are we solving? To solve this problem, we have designed our own new satellite fuel. To burn this fuel efficiently, we have designed an engine around it. And like a spark plug in your car, to start the combustion, a new high temperature catalyst material, all the patented technology. What will sell? We will sell a complete propulsion system as an OEM to satellite manufacturer at 60% cost effective solution for iBooster system. The best part is this is incredibly scalable system starting with a satellite. This can be used for astronaut module, the landers and the future launch vehicles for sure. How good is it? With our fuel and engine, you will require 25% less fuel for your satellite, and it is as safe as common saw. So the cost of operation goes down by 60%. In all, you save 30% cost per satellite. To put it in number, imagine you have 2-ton satellite costing $40 million to launch. With our fuel and engine, it will go down to just 1.5 ton and $28 million in launch. So $12 million in saving because of our system, 30% cheaper satellite. Of course, we are not the first one in the green propulsion system. Neither was Google. But we want to be the best in terms of cost, 60% cost effective solution, and in terms of efficiency, 10% more efficient solution than the alternative green propulsion system. Who are the customer? We are targeting the satellites of 100 to 200 kg weight. Around 15,000 of them are planned in next 5 years. $150 billion satellite market, $22 billion propulsion system market. We have already paying customer in the DRDO, and the talks are in advanced stage with ISRO, Airbus, Boeing, and other customers. Recently, we got a contract from Indian Defense to build this technology for Indian military satellite. It's a paying customer for the development of technology, huge future order. Where are we? We have deep R&D has gone into development of this technology, and multiple milestones has gone into development of technology and validation by likes of ISRO. And the most important milestone is that we want to test this system into the satellite, which is the next milestone they plan for next year. In the process, we have been funded by Lockheed Martin, the JAXA, Japanese Space Agency, and Indian government, Shell. So what we are asking? So we are asking for $5 million to complete the development of this technology. And the money we'll spend in expanding the team, consumable, and setting up our own facility. As a lot of development till now has been bootstrapped with our, to sum it up, a very amazing technology which has a potential to change the way transportations are done for next 100 years with a paying customer for development of the technology and with very passionate team to do that. We are on a mission to make access to the space sustainable. If you are interested, please join us in the breakout room. Thank you.